In the previous video, we learned how to install the Outline server to create a secure private VPN connection. In this video, I'll show you how to install and use the Outline client on your Android phone so you can connect securely and bypass internet censorship with ease. Before we begin, make sure you have an access key provided by your Outline server. If you don't have one yet, I'll show you how to generate a new key right now. After creating the access key, it's a good idea to rename it for easier management, especially if you have multiple devices. Next, click on the share icon next to your access key to copy the access link. This is the key you'll use to set up the connection on your Android device. Now, let's switch back to your Android device to begin installing the Outline client app. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. Then, we'll search for and install the Outline app. From the search results, make sure to select the correct Outline app developed by Jigsaw Productions. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the Outline app. Here, paste the access key you copied earlier from the Outline server. Then, tap Confirm to approve the connection. Finally, tap the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see the status change to Connected. We've successfully installed and connected the Outline client on an Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.